will get there eventually. One thing I know is I will end up in the sea.